Welcome to another theme mountain video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a mega menu. Now, if you watched part 1, you already know how to create a menu from scratch, how to set the display location, how to add links to it, and how to add it to the header. So I have a menu set up here with a few links and a submenu. And the first thing you want to do when creating a mega menu is to make sure that you've selected the CSS classes option under screen options. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. Now, the reason we're doing this is because we'll be adding custom classes to the mega menu. Once I've done that, I'm going to choose which link to use as the mega menu parent link. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and use services. So what you want to do is open it and then switch the register menu item as option to mega menu parent link. Once we've done that, it's time to decide on how many columns the mega menu should have. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 3 columns, but you can have anything from 1, 2, 3, up to 6 columns. Or you can even have a combination of different columns, 2/3, 1/3, etc. So the next step is to add the actual columns. So I'm going to go ahead and use custom links here. So this will be my column 1. Now obviously I'm not linking this, but you can, of course. This will be column 2. And column 3. Once I've added them, I'm going to go ahead and drag them under the services link here so they become a submenu item of services. Then I'm going to go ahead and open them. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the custom classes that we discussed about in the beginning. So if you don't see this field, remember, go to screen options and check the CSS classes option. So the first thing we're going to do is add the column class and then the width class. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 4, obviously, because we're adding 3 columns. So I'm going to go ahead and do this for each of these items. The next thing I'm going to do is to add 2 links to each column. So again, I'm going to go ahead and use custom links for illustrative purposes, but of course you can add pages, posts, or any custom post type. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a few quickly here. So I've added 6 links here, and I'm going to go ahead and drag 2 links under each column here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right away. There we go. So I've created my mega menu structure here. I'm going to go ahead and save this, and we can see what this looks like. And there we go, we've created a mega menu with 3 columns and 2 links under each column. Now I'm going to switch this to a 4-column mega menu just so that you understand the process of how you switch it. I'm going to go back to menus here. I'm going to go to custom links. So I'm going to add a 4th column. And I'm going to go ahead and add 2 more links. There we go. I'm going to make the links submenu items of column 4, and then I'm just going to pull column 4 under services. Now, of course, once we've done this, we're going to have to switch the classes. So I'm going to go ahead and do this for each of the first 3 columns that we created. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add this to the 4th one. There we go, and then I'm going to go ahead and save it, and we can see what this looks like. There we go, we have a mega menu with 4 columns. And that's how you create a mega menu.